how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without a phone number. So if you want to create unlimited Gmail accounts without a phone number, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. And once you open up your browser, you need to go with search and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost and just click on the Google Cloud link and it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with Get Started and select an account, choose an account and then log into your account. Scroll down and then go with Get Started. Make sure that you accept the terms and conditions and everything. And you need to scroll down, or you may also have an Explore option on the top. You need to click on Explore or just simply scroll down. And here you just need to simply go and click any batch that you're comfortable with. So go with any batch and go with any format and it will automatically update. And scroll down and you'll see a Google Cloud Tour link. We'll have the labs right here. So you can just simply click on any labs right here and you can start the lab. If you go with Start Lab right here, you'll see the timer. You can click Start and it will automatically generate a Gmail account with your username and password. You don't need a phone number or anything additional. In a second, your account will be created. So let me show you. If I click on Start Lab, verify that you're not a robot. And after a few seconds, the lab will start and you will have 1 hour. You will be able to use that account to open YouTube or go with any other Google services. That's how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts without a phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.